Well, my last video was kind of harsh and mean and devious and stuff like that, and everything else. Yeah, I could be mean sometime. Yes, I can. But for you viewers out there, all you gotta do is just be careful with your comment on my videos. Okay. They got the fence out here. You know. Like I said on the last video, okay. So, all right. So anyway, folks, as I was saying, y'all, I would appreciate it if y'all keep your comments clean and everything. At least don't ask no personal conversation like if I would sleep with somebody or whatever, you know. So that is too personal, okay. Because I really don't like people asking me personal questions like that, especially from somebody I don't know, okay? So, I gotta say, folks, I mean, due to the personal questions that was asked and stuff like that, but this person said that he's a big fan. I don't know if that was a he or a she, you know, saying that he or she is a huge fan, you know. So I would love for my fans. I don't know how many fans I got, you know. I even have some people that watch me in Houston, you know. Some of the people I met on the Amtrak when I was going back and forth from New Orleans to New Iberia. I meant to say from New Iberia to New Orleans that time, you know. Okay, so I don't know how many fans I got. I don't know who watches my show, to be honest with y'all. Okay, I don't know who watches the Dominoes 7 show, the Dominoes 7 video. Okay, so about me and Nyla, we just best friends. Okay. I mean, I really love that girl. I really love Nyla. Okay, she has a baby. You know what I mean? Okay, but some of you folks never met Brittany yet. I don't know if Brittany would ever come on my show. And you know, years back in 2013, I mentioned a girl named Kia and a girl named Mickey. They never had a chance to appear on my show. But I guess I'm gonna pretend they don't exist. Okay. All right. So on that note, folks, I want to talk to my fans out there. I want to say, be careful what y'all comment about. Okay, because you know sometimes your comments could be offensive. You know, just like when I made a video talking about that accident that happened in Bro Bridge when this man rolled over those kids and stuff like that, and then this guy took up for the bad guy and stuff like that, you know. So on that note, like I say, whatever I say in my videos, I say it, you know. Okay. Just like when somebody comment on my videos, taking up for the person that rode the motorcycle in that Walmart in New Iberia on Amador, okay? So I haven't been to that Walmart since 2012, you know. Last time I've been in New Iberia was 2012, okay? So on that note, folks, ladies and gentlemen, that I would love for somebody to be careful what they see in my comment sections, you know. So I don't mean to be mean and harsh to this one viewer, you know. So this person commented on that video when I responded back, telling them, don't ask me a question like that, you know. So I'm not gonna say that person's name though, you know. I ain't gonna sit a YouTuber name or nothing, you know. So that person gonna remain nameless, whoever that is, you know. That person gonna remain nameless, so he or she or whoever that is be behind that keyboard or whatever don't get embarrassed. So something though, that's something I want to tell y'all about. I was playing this Price is Right game on Facebook, and this fool was talking all kind of mess, using profanity and stuff like that, talking smack to me. I'ma tell that person. I live in New Orleans. You know what I'm saying? Come to my house and tell it to my face. I would tell that person that. But guess what? Like this other YouTuber say, it is a keyboard coward. They'll talk smack behind a computer screen or behind their phone and text out a toughness and stuff like that. But they ain't man enough or woman enough to say it to a person's face. Yes, indeed. Anything I don't like is cowards. My oldest brother is one, a punk two, a douchebag. Yes, indeed. So about that last video I did once again, I don't mean to be mean and harsh to some of you viewers out there. I know you're a fan and everything, but all I'm telling y'all, what I'm really trying to tell some of you, be careful what y'all say on my comments, okay? All right. At least I didn't curse that person out. If I was mean to that person, I apologize. I guess I should apologize to him in the comment section. I just told him I ain't mean to be harsh. He told me he a biggest fan, or was it a she? I don't know which one it was. Said I'm a big fan. Have some respect. But I didn't curse that person out. I really didn't curse that person out. All I said was don't come on my videos commenting and asking me a question like that. That's all I said. If I was mean, I apologize. I'm very sorry. And just in case that person watched that last video, I'm very sorry, okay? I don't mean to be mean, okay? I really don't mean to be mean, okay? So I understand it was just a question or whatever, I understand though, okay? But all I'm saying is just be careful what y'all say on my show, okay? All right, so Mardi Gras is almost coming to a complete close. We close to the end. Today is February the 20th, 2020, or whatever the hell y'all want to say, 2020 or 2020. Okay. All right, so that's all for now. All right, bye bye.